Corpbiz.
Hello everyone, this is Yash Saxena and you are watching Corpbiz. Today in this video, we are going to talk about the flaxseed oil manufacturing business. Through this video, we will help you to understand how to start this business and what is the market potential of flaxseed oil and why it is a profitable business idea. Flaxseed oils are now getting very popular amongst everyone because of its benefits. Let's have a look at some of its benefits. It has high omega-3 fatty acid in good quantity, help in reducing cancer cell growth, and is also good for heart. Beneficial for those suffering from constipation, helps in skin improvement, and there are so many other benefits too, because of which its demand is showing a sudden spike. Also, let's have a look at its market potential. The flaxseed oil market is expected to grow at a growth rate of 3.5% in the forecast period from 2022 to 2028. The growing utilization in most of the industrial applications of flaxseed oil in urban areas will act as a driving factor to the growth of flaxseed market. The flaxseed oil market is segmented on the basis of products, type, application and distribution channel. The growth among segments help you to analyze the niche market, or I should say, helps you to analyze niche pockets of growth and strategies to approach the market and determine your core application areas and the difference in your target markets. On the basis of the products, the flaxseed oil market is segmented into organic flaxseed oil and inorganic flaxseed oil. On the basis of the types of flaxseed oil, market is segmented into cold pressed and hot pressed and extraction. On the basis of application, the flaxseed oil market is segmented into flooring, processed food, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, paint and varnishes. On the basis of distribution channel, the flaxseed oil market is segmented into direct sales, online retail, supermarkets and specialty stores. Now you have enough idea of the market potential and the scope of product in the national and global market. It's time that we move on to the process of manufacturing the flaxseed oil. After you are done with all your research, you will need a few raw materials to start this business. The raw materials are flax seeds and packaging materials. You just need 2 raw materials for it. Now, let's talk about the machinery required to set up and start a flaxseed oil production unit. The selection of perfect location for running the plant is very significant factor. The main facilities are water and electricity. The proper availability of transport facilities and labor is even needed. Prepare a floor plan depicting specific space allocation for raw material storage, production unit area, administrative workspace, finished product storage, the storeroom for oil, cakes and space for a few other things. Usually, you will need around 0.5 acres of non-agricultural land for starting an improved flaxseed oil expelling unit. Here, you can arrange the plant with a processing capacity of 240 metric ton per annum. The machinery required for the flaxseed cold pressed oil is a new type of screw oil press machine that requires pressing rings or pressing bars to extract the oil from the flax seeds. Compared to numerous flaxseed oil presses in the market, screw flaxseed oils pressers can get flaxseed material steadily, which can enhance the total oil yield. Moreover, the oil extracted by our flaxseed oil machine is of superior quality with bright color and is having a nice fragrance. Mainly, it is cheap when compared to the type of oil production machinery and will provide the same flaxseed oil production output. Steps involved in extracting cold pressed flaxseed oil are cleaning. The prepared flaxseed oil seeds are placed on the magnets to separate dirt and desirable trace metals before dehulled and passed from the particular cleaning machine to remove other foreign particles. Next process is dehulling. Flax seeds are having around 20 to 30% of hulls from the oil type. Those hulls are sometimes separated before oil extraction to ensure the quality of both oil and flaxseed meal is sustained. When the seed had moisture of 5%, after cleaning, the dehulling is needed. The basic step here includes cracking the seeds by the mechanical action of a centrifugal or pneumatic sheller that is also done by abrasion. Then the resulting mixture is then winnowed to remove the hulls from the kernels. Grinding. The prepared flaxseed oil are kept over the magnets to remove the dirt and trace metal before the dehull and to have a larger surface area for step of pressing. The dehulled seeds are grounded into a coarse meal that has uniformity by mechanized grooved rollers or hammer mill. Then this meal is heated to fasten the oil extraction. Next is pressing. During the oil pressing, some of the waste and impurities are also collected with the oil, and they must be eliminated before the oil is packaged so that it can be consumed. The heated metal is then fed gradually into a screw press, which escalates the pressure, continued as the meal passes through a slotted barrel. Pressure gradually upsurges from 68,950 to 206,850 kilopascals as the oil is screwed out from the slots in the barrel and next collected, extracting additional oil with solvents. After the initial oil is collected back from the screw press, the oil cake left over in the press is defined by the using solvent extraction method to obtain more yield. A volatile hydrocarbon, the popularly known as hexane, dissolves the oil from the oil cakes, and later the oil is separated by distilling the solvent out, and then the solvent is passed through the matter to be collected at the bottom, extracting additional oil with solvents. After the initial oil is collected back from the screw press, the oil cake left over in the press is defined by using the solvent extraction method to obtain more yield. A volatile hydrocarbon, the popular hexane, is separated by distilling the solvent out, and then solvent is passed through the matter to be collected at the bottom, removing the solvent traces. 90% of the solvent remaining in the extracted oil easily evaporates and it is gathered or reused. The remaining solvent is recovered by the use of stripping column. The oil is heated by steam and lighter solvent floats at the top, and when it condenses, it is collected later. As you are now aware of the process, let's talk about the licenses needed to start this business. Firstly, you will need a registration of business, NOC from State Pollution Control Board, trademark registration, BIS certification, FSI registration and GST registration. So, this was all about the topic, and for more such information, keep watching Corpbiz. This is Yash Saxena signing off.